all set, ready to race. And the race on, bahala na. From the outside rushing up is Diamond Quest. It's Diamond Quest, followed by One Bahamas in second, blowing hot, racing from the outside. Lover of all is racing port by the rallies. Let's reconcile. Banay, Banay, bahala na. Matini Idol and Gold Asian. Three runners fighting around for the lead. Moving up is blowing hot. One Bahamas by the rail. In the middle is Diamond Quest. Lover of all is racing import from the outside by the rail is Banay, Banay. Matini Idol and Bahala na is racing by the rail is Let's Reconcile. Blowing hot, One Bahamas. Lover of all is racing from the outside, taking the second spot. Rounding the far turn, blowing hot by only a length up. Lover of all is racing from the outside as they race the final corner. Lover of all is now the leader. Blowing hot, Danori inside, One Bahamas. And Diamond Quest, Danori inside is Bahala na. And nearing the finish line, number 10, Lover of all, racing away now by some 5 lengths, followed by One Bahamas, and finally another win from the stable of Mr. Puts Puyat, Lover of all, second, One Bahamas, Let's Reconcile, Bahala na, Banay Banay, 10-8 Biodata, and Matini Idol.